Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a link to an image in Webflow. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Webflow, click this option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, adding a link to an image in Webflow can serve several practical purposes depending on the specific context and goals of your website, alright? Because as we all know, images with links makes it easier for users to navigate your site. For example, what we need to do when you go down to the dashboard, just click on Add Elements on the left side of your panel and click on the link block. Once you have the link block right here, you can put it anywhere, all right? Now, you see you have an option here on the gear icon. I want you to click on it, and here is going to be the URL settings where you can, of course, add specific links which can be used effectively as a visual marketing purposes. For instance, a promotional banner image can link directly to a product page or a special offer, and by linking images to event registration pages or event details, it helps drive engagement and conversions. Now, you have an option that whenever they link whenever they click the link, it would open in a new tab, or you have an option for the preload, prefetch, and pre-render. Now, the other options is you can choose a page that you wanted. You can go to home or image info and a lot more. You can, of course, go to a specific section of the page and a lot more that you can do when you add a link block. It's a very easy process and straightforward, and you don't have to be lost during linking images to a specific URLs, because it will allow you to track clicks and user interactions through analytics tool. And this data helps in measuring the effectiveness of your visual content and, of course, your marketing campaigns. Now, most of the times I use this linking block in one of my e-commerce website, because linking product images to a product details or purchase pages enables users to quickly access additional information and make purchases. It's a fundamental practice to optimize user experience and achieve specific goals on your website. And obviously, adding links to images in Webflow enhances usability, promotes engagements, improves SEO, and of course supports various marketing and navigation strategies. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.